Would you engrave your document in stone? Of course not. You'd use Odoo Sign and create it in seconds. Just drag and drop the fields you need to be completed on your PDF document, and easily specify who has to sign where. But then, would you send your document by carrier pigeon? Why would you? With Odoo Sign, just add the recipients, specify who has to sign in what order, and you can even set up automatic reminders so people don't forget to sign. And filling in the document is a breeze for both you and your customer, whether they're on desktop or mobile. Finally, would you apply your seal to the envelope to guarantee its authenticity? You know the answer. Odoo Sign guarantees that your documents are traced and verified, and electronic signatures are valid in most countries, including the European Union and the United States. Whether it's for recruitment, accounting, sales, or any other administrative matters, there's no need to print or scan anymore. With Odoo Sign, the whole process is done in minutes. Try it for free on odoo.com/app/sign.